வெல்கம் டு கேம்ப்ஸ் கல்வி சேனல். இந்த வீடியோவில் 4th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டேர்ம் 2 சோஷியல் யூனிட் 3 டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட் புக் பேக் பார்க்கலாம். Which of the following is an example of land transport? Car. 2. The first railway line was laid in 1853. 3. One of the major cities that connects Golden Quadrilateral Highway is Chennai. 4th one, dash is the oldest mode of transport? Bullock cart. 5th one, there are 4 modes of transport. Match the following. International airport in Tamil Nadu, Tiruchirappalli. Important public transport, bus. Train from Kanyakumari to Jambu, Kimsagar Express. Major seaport of Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Chennai Metro Rail started in the year 2015. True or false? Transport is not needed for people. False. Ports remain main centers of trade. True. Roadways do not connect different parts of our country. False. The Chennai Mapsal bus terminus is the smallest bus terminus in Asia. False. Tamil Nadu has 5 major ports. False. Answer in brief. 1. Define transport. Transport is the movement of people, animals, and things from one place to another. Second, list the different modes of transport. Modes of transport: landways, waterways, airways, roadways, railways. Landwaysல roadways, railways landways. 3. Describe railways. Name any 2 major rail links from Tamil Nadu. Railway is the most important form of transport system connecting various states. Tamil Nadu Express, Chennai to New Delhi. Chennai Express, Chennai to Mumbai. 4th question. What is air transport? What are used for air transport? Air transport is the fastest way to travel to different parts of the world. Helicopters and aeroplanes are used for air transport. 5th question. Write any 3 advantages of transportation. 1. Growth of agricultural and industrial production. Transport system plays a huge role in the growth of agricultural and industrial production by carrying raw materials to different parts of the country. Growth in foreign trade. It helps in promoting foreign trade in a country. 3. Promotes tourism. It helps people from different countries visit other countries. Do you know Indian Railways is the 4th largest network in the world? Darjeeling Himalayan Rail in West Bengal is a World Heritage Site and it is the only steam operator railway in India. Activity. Which is the only state in India that has more than 2 ports? Tamil Nadu. 2. Name the ports in Tamil Nadu. Ennur, Chennai, Thoothukudi. 3. Name the government agency that handles marine transport related infrastructure in the country. Shipping Corporation of India. India has the World's highest helipad at the Chosin Glacier, which is 21,000 feet above sea level, which is used to travel short distance in airways. Helicopters. How many international airports are there in Tamil Nadu? 4 international airports are there in Tamil Nadu.
இதோட இந்த வீடியோ முடியுது. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.